What is up, guys? It's your boy official Keem Reacts. Welcome to the club. Now I'll be reacting to Marcelito Pomoy singing Perfect. That song was originally done by Ed Sheeran, so it's a sing-over by Marcelito Pomoy. I have done a lot of reaction to Marcelito Pomoy's performances, and he has never ever failed me since I've been reacting. So let's see what surprise he has up in his sleeve for me tonight, because I know this song that was done by Ed Sheeran was a very fantastic music, a music that is so properly written, is so properly mixed, it was so properly mastered by that person who helped Ed Sheeran to do this awesome job. So let's see what Pomoy is gonna do right now, singing this music over once more, and let's see if he can even sing it better than Ed Sheeran himself. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Let's hear what Pomoy has to say right now.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
I think Ed Sheeran has just find his replacement. Bro, the slight issue I have with this performance is just that he's just kind of a bit too quick in moving on to the next part. That's the only issue I have with this performance thus far. But I'm not quick to judge yet, so let's finish hear what he has to say right now.
I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. I guess he's giving his little twist to it, his version of singing. But the singing I was expecting from Pomoy was a kind of a high pitch. Not too low, not too high, but a pitch that is very unique and normal. But this is doing so great. Amazingly done. Wonderful. Let's continue.
With you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard, darling, you look perfect tonight.
To be honest, I can't be doing a reaction to this music and I don't really have a female next to me. This song is quite of a bit love song, you know, and Jamaicans normally have a female next to them reacting to a music when it comes down to love music. But nevertheless, music is just music. I mean, like, I won't take it to that heart. If she's not around, I'll just keep on doing my thing. Okay guys, let's continue.
Wow. Oh, Italian tayo, Italian.
Se la mia donna, la forza delle onde del mare, con le mie su, le mie segreti, molto da più.
Now he's singing in Spanish. I don't understand a thing that he's singing, but let's continue with the tune. I love the tune, I love the vocals, I love the voice control that he's doing right now. Something that not everyone can do, not all singers can just jump from an English to a Spanish singing real quick because they are not really educated for that situation. But Marcelito is doing excellent from one language to the next. This is another step further to prove that he's one of the best singers out there in the world.
Sparo un giorno l'amore che ti ha accompagnato diventi casa, la mia famiglia diventerò e siamo sempre bambini ma non è impossibile stavolta non ti lascerò mi baci piano ed io torno ad esistere.
I gotta applaud Pomoy for this wonderful performance. This is something I see he do very often, something that not everybody can do, and it's just sing officially. He's not trying to sing, he's not forcing himself to sing, but he's singing professionally. Trust me, he have this lock. He have this locked away, sealed away. No one can ever take this splendid talent he have from him. Trust me, guys. Awesome. Very awesome.
En este sguardo crescerò, ballo con te nell'oscurità, strette forte poi, appiene nudi noi, dentro la nostra musica, e guardata ridere, e sussurrando de tu stasera, per sei perfetta per me.
Wow. Wow. Breathless singing. Something that can take your breath away. If you're not understanding singing, then eventually you won't feel when a person is singing. And I think Pomoy is somebody who is mastered that before. He can sing, and even though you're not an experienced singer, you feel as if you can sing. This is something I've witnessed with Pomoy's prior reaction music. That music is so timeless. A music that is just overwhelming with greatness within it. You can feel it, you can touch it. Spiritually you can feel it and you can touch it when he's singing. You have to just sit and listen keenly with the words he's been displaying to you.
Baby, I dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Thank you so much, everyone. Salamat.
Whoa, this is splendid. This is an awesome performance. To be exact, excellent performance. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please comment where's the next song that I should react to. Please drop a comment in the comment section. Provide a link down below so I could click, I could react just for you guys. I'm from Jamaica and greetings from Jamaica. It was nice having you here watching this video with my weird self. Okay guys, so I'll see you next game. Peace out.